What's the meaning of agri? Agri. 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 The prefix agri is derived from the Latin word ager, meaning field. It is commonly used in English to describe things related to agriculture or farming. The addition of agri to a word typically indicates a connection or association with the agricultural industry. Some examples include agribusiness, agronomy, and agroforestry. The use of agri can also suggest a focus on sustainability and environmental stewardship within the agricultural sector. Overall, agri is a useful prefix for identifying and understanding concepts related to agriculture.